Amazon mystery boxes real. Amazon mystery boxes real. And Amazon mystery box is a surprise package that you can buy online, just like what you have on the screen at the moment. You don't know what's inside until it arrives at your door. Some people say it's fun, others say it's fake or it's a scam. So is it real? Let's talk about it. So Amazon mystery boxes are real. As you can see, they are listed on the Amazon website. There is a lot. You can actually go through the whole website, and you'll find these mystery boxes. So they are real, and you can actually buy them. They will come at different pricing. Some $10, some $100. It depends. So the mystery part is you don't know what's inside. Sometimes it's usually random stuff, returns, leftovers, things that did not sell for this particular seller, and they just put them in the mystery box and they sell it away. So experiences, some people actually get cool stuff, speakers, toys, clothes and stuff, but in some mystery boxes you actually get total junk that is actually worthless, like broken items, broken returns and the sort. So it's a 50-50 when you're going to be buying these Amazon mystery boxes. Decide, are you going to be somebody whose dollar counts? If every dollar counts for you, don't buy these mystery boxes in case you get disappointed. But if you are somebody who doesn't mind the risk of just having fun, wanting to be surprised, wanting something that's land at the doorstep and just have some laugh and maybe some crying or whatever, then you can go for it. So it depends on what kind of person you are. But Amazon mystery boxes real. Yes, they are real. Before you buy Amazon mystery box, rather first look at the reviews of the seller and just decide on your own whether you want to buy one or not.